Hello, and welcome to Test Complete. In this video, we will continue learning how to resolve the object does not exist error. If you have not seen the first video, we recommend that you watch it before you continue watching this one. Here, we will show how to fix errors caused by changes in the object properties. Typically, if the self-healing test run mode is enabled in Test Complete, the latter detects changes in object properties and finds a replacement for the missing object automatically. However, if this mode is disabled, or if self-healing fails, Test Complete will report that object does not exist error. Let's see how to fix the error in this case. Suppose that we have a project that tests a web store application. Look at this test log. The self-healing test run mode was disabled, and when the test has failed to find the phone minus object, it reports the error. First, let's check if there are any other errors or warnings preceding the object does not exist error. Usually, the very first error corresponds to a problematic test command, and further errors are caused by that first error. If there are preceding errors or warnings in your test log, you should fix them first. In our case, there are no preceding errors, so let's fix this one. Open the Details panel to view the full name of the missing object and its image. In the picture panel, we can see the screenshot of the tested application taken when the error occurred. To examine the error further, double-click the error message in the test log. This will jump us to the command that caused the error. Our test was trying to click the phone minus object when the error occurred. The most possible reason for the error is that the properties by which Test Complete searches for the object have changed in the application. Luckily for us, in this case, we can fix it easily. The Intelligent Fix button in the Details panel indicates that the test engine has found an object that is similar to the missing one and already knows how we should update the properties. Click the button, and in the resulting dialog box, check if the object that Test Complete has detected is the right one. The object is detected correctly, so we are clicking Update to accept the changes that Test Complete suggests. We rerun the test. Test Complete uses the updated properties to find the object, and the test passes. So the error is now fixed. However, the intelligent fix may not always be available. For example, this can happen if Test Complete cannot find an object to suggest, or if one or several parents of the tested object cannot be found either. Let's see how we can fix the error without using the intelligent fix. Look at this test log. This test has failed to find the official game ball object. We can see that there are no preceding errors or warnings in this test. So let's start examining the object does not exist error. This time, intelligent fix is not available. In this case, we are going to fix the error manually. To do this, we need our application running and being in the same state that it was when the error occurred. The easiest way to achieve this is double-clicking the error message, jumping to the problematic test command, setting a breakpoint to it, and rerunning the test. It will pause on the breakpoint right before the error occurs. So we can stop the test and examine the application. We can see that the needed object is there. Now, let's return to the error message and click this View and Change link to view the properties that Test Complete uses to find the object. Here they are. It is the object identifier and the object type properties. When trying to highlight the object on screen or edit the properties, Test Complete reports that it cannot find the object. We are going to point to the object on screen. Then click Next, and see that the object identifier property needs to be updated. Click the Update button next to it. The property gets a new value, then click Finish to save the changes. Remove the breakpoint because it's no longer needed, and close the tested application to start a fresh test run. Rerun the test. Test Complete finds the object using the updated properties and the test passes. Therefore, the error is fixed. Before we finish, we would like to highlight the major key points of fixing the object does not exist error. Use the self-healing test run mode and intelligent fix whenever it is possible. Examine images posted to the test log during the run to learn your application's state when the error occurred, and check if the needed object was present in the application. When troubleshooting the error, have your tested application running in the same state as when the error occurred. So this covers only one of the typical causes of the object does not exist error. To learn how to deal with other possible causes of the error, please watch the third part of this video.